Buying USDT with Apple Pay is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy USDT with Apple Pay. So the process is pretty simple. You need to follow these set of instructions. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to install this app called as Zengo. So you just have to go to your app store and then you have to install Zengo. So I'm just going to search for Zengo and then I'm going to search for app. Now here, as you guys can see, Zengo is actually a crypto and Bitcoin wallet which allows you to buy and sell crypto on your iOS device. So just have to download that, and then after doing that, you simply have to tap on the purchase symbol, and after that, you simply have to select whatever you want to buy. You just have to select USDT right there, and then you have to enter the amount of you want to buy. So after that, you just simply have to verify your identity by either adding your ID card or driving license. It totally depends upon them what they ask. You just have to put them to verify your identity, and afterwards you will easily be able to buy it. And in the billing details, you can go for Apple Pay as your payment options, and there you go. That's how you will be able to buy USDT with the Apple Pay. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.